When President-elect Donald Trump takes office in 9 days, he'll become the first to lead the country with a felony conviction on his record. Yesterday, a Manhattan judge formally sentenced Trump for falsifying business records in the Stormy Daniels hush money case. He could have received up to 4 years in prison. Instead, the judge imposed an unconditional discharge, meaning he will avoid penalties. Torian Small is in West Palm Beach. Torian, good morning.
Good morning, Dana. President-elect Trump appeared yesterday virtually from here for his sentencing in that hush money case. This sentencing was up in the air until the very last minute, Trump taking it all the way up to the Supreme Court, his legal team arguing that it would disrupt his transition to the White House. Well, Thursday night, the court rejected it, and the sentencing continued on as planned yesterday morning.
This has been a very terrible experience.
President-elect Donald Trump attended virtually a historic sentencing in New York.
It's been a political witch hunt. It was done to damage my reputation so that I'd lose the election, and obviously that didn't work.
Attacking the proceedings and once again insisting on his innocence.
I did nothing wrong.
This despite a New York jury convicting him in May on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records to cover up payments to porn star Stormy Daniels before the 2016 election. The president-elect, the first ever to be convicted in a court of law, was possibly facing up to 4 years in prison. But Judge Juan Merchan, noting that Trump's upcoming presidency protected him from punishment, issued no fines, probation, or jail time on Friday morning.
Donald Trump, the ordinary citizen, Donald Trump, the criminal defendant, would not be entitled to such considerable protections.
The Supreme Court, which granted Trump partial immunity from criminal liability for official acts in July, decided on Thursday against postponing yesterday morning's sentencing in New York. In a close 5-4 decision, with 2 conservative justices joining the 3 liberals to rule against him. Judge Merchan, often the focus of Trump's attacks during the hush money trial, took the opportunity to wish the incoming president well.
Sir, I wish you Godspeed as you assume your second term in office.
With his biggest legal challenge seemingly behind him, Trump is moving forward with his agenda. This weekend, he's meeting with House Republicans at his Mar-a-Lago estate, including a number of defiant conservative lawmakers who held up the speaker vote. He's expected to talk about a plan to fast-track his major policy proposals through a process known as budget reconciliation. Michelle?
A busy week ahead. Torian, thank you.